Hi, I'm Redneck Ranger Richard, and today we're gonna keep our forests clean. First, we'll start with a little pruning, and if you follow me this way, we have another nice little specimen. Four.
I think that's good.
A nice barking.
I'm getting showered in wood chips. I don't think I get paid enough for this.
Closer up, we see this fine specimen right here.
No, but that's the same one you were just hitting. I don't. Okay. So you're. I don't think this is the code of the park nature reserve. I don't. Richard, I don't think this is okay. My golf club! Richard!
No, it gives it a nice curve shot.
No, you broke my damn thing.
It gives it a nice curve shot. See? Watch. Before, we weren't able to cut this down. See?
You bet my golf club. There's no way you're getting out of this.
Now.
No, you can't. You can't. You're just hitting it harder. What do you mean?
If I hit it the other way, it'll bend back.
It's not breaking.
Hold on.
No, don't hit the tree again.
No, it'll bend back if I hit it hard enough.
No, I don't think you took math or science.
See? Look, it went back a little.
No, it's still bending.
No.
You're hitting it in the wrong direction.
Oh, wait, wrong direction.
Yeah, no, you fucking... My golf club. I don't...
See? No, look, it actually is bending back.
No, I don't...
No, it's working.
I think you're stupid. No, I think it was fine a minute ago.
See? Straight as an arrow.
No, I don't know what kind of arrows you're
forward,
looking at,
further
but... No, I don't... I think you're a kleptomaniac.
Ow! Fuck, that hit my foot.
Yeah, that you...
Alright, let's hit further in.
Oh, I don't... Okay, sure, whatever.
Straighter.
I don't think that is.
No, now it's straighter, but now this is curved.
No, I don't... I think you're stupid.
No, it is.
No, don't...
Huh.
I don't think that...
No, hold on.
No, I think...
Nope.
No, you're just bending the other part now.
No, wait.
Richard.
Alright, hold on. Follow me to my golf shop.
No, I don't... I think you're a little out of your league here, bud.
Right here. That building.
No, I don't think we... You know... I don't...
Look, a bird.
No, You ass! Richard, you gained too many pounds? You on the donuts? I don't... Alright, where's my golf club? I'm gonna beat the hell out of him. You know, I don't get paid enough for this. It's not even minimum wage.
What are you doing with my axe?
Alright, stand still, Richard.